Wednesday, February 2nd, and it is a new month. It is also a new vlog. I wanted to interrupt this vlog. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Anna. I just wanted to bring you guys along on my day-to-day and do a daily vlog for you guys. I've never daily vlogged, always wanted to, and show you guys a little bit more in depth of my days in comparison to what I show you in a week in my life. So I am going to bring you guys along today and just show you my day-to-day here at college. So let's get our day started. Basically, to be super transparent with you guys, as I'm putting on this jacket because it's kind of cold out to go on my walk, I had a really crappy day yesterday, to put it in slightest terms. For sure, the worst day of 2022, even though we're just starting the year, but the worst day I've had so far, and honestly the worst day I've had in a really long time. And basically I was just in a rut. I didn't get out of bed at all yesterday. I barely ate. I was just not in the right headspace, and I'm not trying to say that that's like what you should do at all. I'm just trying to be completely transparent with you guys. And so basically I just woke up this morning and said, like, I don't want to feel like that again today. So I am taking responsibility, and I'm just going to do things that make me feel good today and that make me feel happy and take care of my mental health. So I just want to do a bunch of skincare and clean today, get some assignments done, just watch some lectures, do my hair, do my makeup, film some TikToks, and just do things that are gonna make me feel good on the inside. Going on this walk, having good meals today, nutritious meals, just like things that are gonna make me feel good. And so that's basically the point of this vlog, is just to take you guys along on that. And if you're having a tough day, we all have those days, and it's okay to take a day, but it also, you have to pick yourself back up and keep going. So that's basically the point of this vlog, and I just want to bring you guys along because I feel like you guys are my friends. So I want to take you along on that and just show you what I do to make myself feel happy and to have a good day and turn the bad days around. So yeah, there's a good amount of stuff that I want to get done today. I'm not going to pressure myself to like have a list today and get certain things done besides like maybe a couple of school assignments. But yeah, I'm going to grab my AirPods, put on some shoes, and we're going to go on this walk. Okay, so I just got back from my walk. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10, go on a walk, listen to a podcast, just think and be alone in your thoughts, or listen to some good music that makes you feel good. Never underestimate what a good walk can do. But I'm about to tackle this kitchen and just put like a bunch of stuff away and just like organize it, and the downstairs, just like really like vacuum and like figure all this out. So I'm gonna do a little montage of me cleaning the kitchen. So we're gonna get into this and just like clean and do all that. I'm also doing laundry at the same time. It's very much like a reset cleaning day, just to like get our life in order. And for me, it's like therapeutic and relieves some stress. So let's get into this kitchen cleanup. So I just finished cleaning the kitchen and I'm about to make some lunch. And I just went through all my clothes, also like all the clothes that I want to get rid of, because we're doing like a truck sale at Zeta today. So I'm actually gonna go there for like an hour and just like sell a bunch of my clothes that I like no longer wear or just want to get rid of. So I'm gonna do lunch really quickly. I have about like an hour and 20, so I'm gonna like quickly just like make a chicken and salad. But the apartment looks sparkling clean, which makes me happy. Everything's like been mostly put away, besides like things Connor needs to come get. And yeah, so I'm super happy about how the apartment looks right now. So here's today's lunch. Like I said, a salad and some chicken for protein. And then I'm about to go and take that box full of clothes to go sell. Okay, so I just finished up lunch and I'm just finishing packing up my backpack to go to the house and sell all my stuff. I have my little box right here, and then like I said, I'll come back and we'll continue our self-care day. Okay, I just got back to my apartment. I sold like $80 worth of stuff, which honestly isn't that bad for stuff that I was gonna get rid of anyways. I'm about to take a shower and wash my gross hair because it's literally sticking out like those penguins from Madagascar. So I'm gonna shower and just get all of this situated, and then I'll probably just like do something with my hair. The day's gotten away from me as usual. So like I said, no pressure on getting certain things done today. I do want to have a self-care night and like do some self-care, but other than that, like if I don't get to doing the TikTok, that's fine. If I don't get to like completely cleaning my room as much as I wanted to, that's fine. So I'm going to see how much I get done. So I just got out of the shower, putting in some detangling spray and like leave-in, I don't know. It's the Pureology Color Fanatic, and it's like 4-color treated hair. So I'll like go between this one and the Byredo one, and like just switch it up. I did a hair mask in the shower, really did it up, and now I'm currently just brushing my hair. I just went downstairs and got all of my laundry as well, so I need to put that away and just like kind of pick up a couple things around my room, just like these bags and whatnot. So I have to do that. I also want to wash my makeup brushes. I have them over there. So I think I've officially decided I'm not going to film the TikToks today as much as I wanted to. I just really want to relax, and putting on makeup right now is just like not something I want to do. I've had a pretty chill day, so I just think I want to keep it that way. It's also like 5:40, so it's like pretty late. It's actually 5:47. So I think I'm just going to like put this laundry away, wash my makeup brushes, make some dinner, and then also work on a little bit of homework and read, and then watch a movie and do some skincare. I really just want to relax tonight and like take full advantage of the day that I already like created and set up for myself. This is also not my like day-to-day like life. Like I literally have an exam on Sunday, and like I am a full-time college student, so like luckily I am able to time manage and take days out like this when I really need them. So yeah, like tomorrow I have like a class. I have a like office hour with one of my professors, so it like comes and goes in waves. But I am going to put this clothes away just to like not keep a mess in here, and then put on some eye patches and maybe like wash my makeup brushes or start on dinner, read, do a little bit of homework. I don't know, but just wanted to update you guys. I'll probably just do makeup tomorrow. It's just right now it's just like so I really don't feel like doing it. So let's go ahead and put this laundry away. Okay, so here's my hair straightened with the Dyson Airwrap. This is pretty much about how straight I can get it, which is honestly really good for what it is, like not like pressing my hair in heat. And I also, I'm trying to like stand you guys up, kind of like janky. Okay, so I want to start the skincare early, and I'm gonna take this Ordinary peeling, like the AHA BHA, and put it on my skin so my skin can like exfoliate a little bit before I shave it a little bit later. And you just have to leave this on for like 10 minutes, and you like really feel a difference and can like vividly see a difference in your skin after you use this. So because I typically would go in with this Ole Henriksen one, but I don't want to put anything on after I shave my face because you cannot use harsh chemical exfoliants or chemicals on your face once you shave it. You just need to put on a hydrating moisturizer, and like that's it. So I'm going to go in with this beforehand because that is like an overnight treatment. So me and Connor just had some dinner. We had burgers. I'll insert a little clip here of burgers. They were super good, very simple, but good comfort food to like end off the self-care day. And now I got everything ready to shave my face because I'm gonna do that for my like little self-care skincare night. I also put down my headboard. You can barely see it anymore, which is kind of what I wanted because it just lets so much more natural light into the bedroom. But I'm just gonna fast forward through this because I'm gonna watch a YouTube video while I do this. I've also shown you guys in a previous video, but I can do like one video solely dedicated to how I shave my face. I'm just taking the Bare Minerals serum. I like taking a serum and not an oil because I don't know, I feel like a serum's like better for your skin. Also, I feel like oil clogs my pores, and it just like leaves my skin weird, and I don't want to like put anything like super like, I don't know, like potent on my skin with just like doing that exfoliator. But you definitely need something on your skin. Don't do this like on dry skin, it'll like mess it up, and you need to just like pull it and like go in and go downward. So I'm literally just going to watch this YouTube video and do this. Okay, so I just finished shaving my face, and these are the little cotton pads I use to wipe all the hair off. That is legit all the hair that was on my face, which is so gross. But now I have no hair on my face. This makes your makeup apply more evenly, and it just makes my skin look more, I don't know, like shiny. And now I'm gonna grab my little steamer from Vanity Planet and just steam my face for a little bit and just like put on a serum, and that's it. I don't want to go too crazy with this skincare just because I already exfoliated my face with that chemical exfoliant, and I just like want to be careful.
Is it good? It is good. Wow.
I just finished steaming my face, and if you couldn't tell, my face is like super radiant. I literally look like a glazed donut, which is exactly why I shave my face and I steam it. I like to steam it after I shave, especially just to add more like moisture and hydration back into my skin after shaving it, and especially after doing like that mask too, because it's a lot of exfoliating on the skin. But now we're gonna go make cookies, pick out a movie, and I might like just like relax. Cheers.